Welcome to Learn Polish Podcast, episode number 477, 477. If you're looking for lessons from Marta, you go to the link and she's got Remitly classes that you can get. And also I have our TikTok and everything, so you can listen to her beautiful singing. You'll find everything about me. Scan the QR code or go to roycohn.com. If you're looking for virtual assistants, go to va.world. Cześć, Marta.
Cześć, Roy.
Co będzie nasza lekcja dzisiaj?
Dzisiaj mamy poniedziałek, tak? I jest pierwszy dzień po Wielkanocy. It's like first day
after Easter.
Exactly. So in Poland is a tradition which is called, do you know? Czy ty wiesz?
Śmigus-Dyngus or something like that.
Śmigus-Dyngus.
Dyngus.
Exactly. So also it is called Wet Monday, Lany Poniedziałek, tak? And today I would like to talk a bit more about it, to just show you this tradition, this custom. Czy jesteście gotowi? Czy jesteś gotowy, Roy?
Jestem. I'm ready.
Okej, to zaczynamy. Prezentuj, okej. Śmigus-Dyngus. Okay. So, a few words about this tradition also, like in English. Śmigus-Dyngus, also known as Lany Poniedziałek, Wet Monday, is a Polish Easter Monday tradition, which is, in short, involves people throwing copious
amounts of water at each other.
With each other, as you see, amounts of water at each other. Would you like to add something more, Roy, about it?
Yeah, it's got something on it. And I wasn't aware of this. It's Easter tradition celebrated on the Monday after Easter Monday. On this day, people, especially children and young people, playfully splash each other with water. It's a fun custom symbolizing cleansing, renewal, and the arrival of spring. So, interesting. Ciekawa.
Okay. Prawdopodobnie nie tylko w Polsce, probably not only in Poland, also I've heard in Ukraine, na Ukrainie, w Ukrainie, but I'm not sure. Like Slavic countries, but I'm not sure. Like in one.
Na pewno Irlandia nie.
Na pewno Irlandia nie. Tak. Polska na pewno. Okay. Okay, so basically what can I say? Wiadro wody. Bucket of water. A gdy byłam mała, obviously, miałam wiadro wody. Yes, and and others had to run away from me because I just splashed them. Yes, with this water. And here we have additional phrases related to it. Verbs. Polewać wodą. Tak? Kogoś usually. Or also coś, which means splash someone with water. Yeah? Czy ty, Roy, kiedyś polewałeś kogoś wodą? Syna swojego?
Śmigus-Dyngus. Water pistol?
A, tak, będzie. Tak, co to jest? Również co do czasowników, when it comes to verbs, we have something like lać wodę, to pour water, tak? Tak, nalej wody do na przykład szklanki, yes? Like pour water to glass, yeah? You probably know this phrase, I hope, Roy. And also biegać z wiadrami means like to run around with buckets, yeah? So yeah, as I told, wiadro wody, bucket of water. But also, not only buckets, also we have pistolet, tak? Pistolet na wodę, water gun. And yeah, we have also...
Psikawka?
Psikawka.
It's like a water grenade or something, is it?
Yes, exactly. Psikawka. Basically, I couldn't find the right English translation when it comes to this word. It's like only it exists only in Polish.
But it's like a water balloon, isn't it? But it's like that. That looks like one that once it hits, it opens. Yeah, so it's a refillable balloon. Yeah,
exactly, like made of plastic. Yeah, you can grab it like before Easter Day somewhere in the markets. Yeah. So psikawka albo pistolet na wodę is for splashing others with water. So it was like kinda tradition, poniekąd tradycja, zwyczaj, custom. I to by było tyle, jeśli chodzi o to święto. Ja niestety jestem za stara. I'm too old to celebrate it anymore. But
Nigdy jesteś na stare. Kiedy jesteś 90, nie jesteś na stare. I ja oglądałem what you call the fire brigade. So they were like zawoda też na ludzi, tak? Czasami straż robi, tak, bawi się.
Tak. Może jak kiedyś będę rodzicem, when I will be parent someday, powrócę, I will come back to this tradition. Ale teraz już jestem za duża. I'm too big for it.
And what about if somebody's getting christened on Monday? Does the priest say Śmigus-Dyngus?
Może jak będę na ulicy, tak? Maybe when I be somewhere on the street, ktoś poleje, tak? Mnie wodą albo wiadrem, tak? Wody. ale teraz raczej nie. I zauważyłam, I noticed when I just get older, like there's not so popular as it was. I don't know why. You know, like computers are just replacement of entertainment for kids. But yeah, still I think it will be somewhere in some cities more common. Dobrze, także to co? To było wszystko. Mam nadzieję, że was któregoś dnia będzie w Polsce podczas Śmigus-Dyngus i będzie mógł celebrować, tak, świętować to święto. Także co? To byłoby wszystko. Dziękuję bardzo.
Dziękuję bardzo, Marto. So you can get lessons from there. You just go to the show notes and both the audio and the video, and you'll find a link for doing that. You'll find everything about me. Scan the QR code or go to roycollin.com. And if you're looking for a virtual assistant, go to va.org. Sure to make comments and let us know what you'd like us to discuss, because we read all the comments and we're there to help. Until next week, take care.